Okay, so let's look at vocabulary. Types of shops. Types of shops. Different kinds. What's out there? So we have a hardware shop. A hardware selling drills, hammers, nails, and beyond. Wood, plumbing, pipes, valves, things we use to build other things. We use to build houses, repair things, build stuff. Hardware. We have antique. Antique sells antiques. They sell antiques. Normally old things, 100 years old, a 100-year-old chair, a 100-year-old bed, a 100-year-old cupboard, things like that. Old, antiques, they're from a different era, 100, 200 years old. Exquisite, old things. Old things. Old things. Generally old things. Then we have hairdressers. 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 They'll give you a nice cut. Nice cut. Nice trim here. Shave the beard for you. Define it. Define the edges. Hairdressers. They will dress your hair. Be more presentable. Hairdressers. Very good. Post office. When you've got a letter that you want to send. When you've got a letter, you go to the post office to send a letter. Or parcel. Like a box. Parcel. Parcel. Or letter. How cool is that? Letter, parcel. Yeah. How cool is that? Jot that here. Letter, parcel. Very nice. And then we have shoe shop. Shoe shop. Need shoes? You go to a shoe shop. And if you want to be really archaic and really old English, you could say cobbler. A cobbler. Repair shoes. A cobbler. But most days people just buy new shoes. It's easier. It's easier. Cobbler to repair shoes. Shoe shop. And dry cleaners. Now, certain clothes, like suits, like a blazer, needs to be dry cleaned. Dry cleaned. Dry cleaned only. Using chemicals and powder and beyond. Not with washing machines and water. Dry clean. Yeah. Normally in the UK, a little expensive. Most of the places, probably not. Then we have bakery. Bakery, bread, cakes, pasties and beyond. All sorts of delicatessen. Yeah, breads. Mainly breads. Cookies and beyond. Bakery. So we have the word bake. Bake. Then we have bakery. How cool is that? And then we have fishmonger. Fishmonger. Fish. As simple as that. They sell fish and different kinds of fish. Shrimp, tuna, octopus, shark and beyond. How cool is that? Jeweler. They sell jewellery. 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 Rings. So rings. Necklace. Necklace. And what would these call it? Bands. Bangs, if anything, around the wrist. Bands. Yeah. I'll call it, or bangs. B-A-N-G-S. Yeah. How cool is that? Yeah. And pharmacy. 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 So you're talking paracetamol or other medicine, ointments, Ointments. Ooh. Ointments, oils, other things for general health, general well-being. You could have laxatives, condoms, things for headache, pain, maybe even like plasters. A little plaster you got to cut. Ooh, a plaster. Or things to support the joints. Yeah, general health and well-being. Medicine. Medicine, basically. Medicine. Medicine. How cool is that? Very good. So, hardware shop, antique shop, hairdressers, post office, shoe shop, dry cleaners, bakery, fishmonger, jeweler, pharmacy. The jeweler, he is the jeweler. I have jewellery. He is the jeweler. I have jewellery. I have jewellery. How cool is that? Let's keep going, language explorers. Let's keep going.